Hi, I'm Kathryn Ireland, and welcome to my home in the French countryside. Together we're going to celebrate country living and entertaining.
Cheers, Kathryn.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for coming. In this series, I'm going to give you a peek into my farmhouse, the rooms I've collected, decorated, and loved over the years. Most people, they have hobbies. They knit, they play the piano, they water ski. There's lots of things people do. What I like to do is tinker in my house. We're going to stroll through the gardens, pick flowers for the table, and talk about the joys of gathering friends for long, lazy dinners. I'll take you to villages, markets, and vineyards that inspire me, and share a few of my tricks for making a house feel like a home. Starting with my fabric, of course. So grab a seat at my table and let's spend summer together in my house in France.